stop.
Full stop.
Let this guy pass. All right, so swap your gear to first gear now. Paddle down. You're gonna have to put your clutch brake in. All right.
Neutral.
Yep. Now try first. You might have to let off the clutch a little bit. There you go. Now creep around this turn just very slowly.
Okay.
And then you're going to want to shift as fast as you can, otherwise you're going to be going down this hill pretty slow, which is fine. It's not dangerous, it's just annoying. Yeah, you see how that hill's going to change your speed. All right, so get up 2,000, hit second. Try third. Down now. And then just keep going. We'll start over from first here, so come to a full stop. Clutch in. Alright, start at first. You gotta hit your clutch brake all the way down. Alright, now creep. Straightened out and everything set up over there, and then you can worry about shifting. So 2,000, let off, give it a blip, and then go in a second when you're ready. There you go. No, I said there you go, and then now do the same thing for third. Over more, towards me. Yep. And I'll do the same thing for fourth. Over toward, there you go. It's just learning the location of the gears. Your timing seemed fine. It was just you didn't know the location. There you go. And then your final gear for cruising should be 6. So one more shift and then you'll be good. Be straight back. Push this over like that. Feel how it wiggles, just go like that and then go straight back from there. There you go.
Oh shit! Oh, there was 3.
Now you got it.
What do you want me to do when I get up here?
Just park it straight and then throw it to neutral and turn your air brake on.
Straight.
Brake.
Brake.
Put it in the neutral. Pull your air brake. Alright, now you're good. Now you can shut it off. Turn off your blinker.